Hi, my name is Maggie Alfieri. I'm the Massage Program Director at Atlanta School of Massage. I came across Dr. Camden Clay's Quick Self Fixes and Targeted Muscle Testing back in 2010 when I was looking to acquire hours for continuing education to renew my state license. I took the class one time and I thought, there's something about this. I'm not sure what it is, but I want to know more. 2 years later, upon a second renewal of my license, I chose to take his course again. At that time, it had been more refined and he had created books for the curriculum. I started to see the benefits of this work in my own practice with my clients and also to be able to maintain the health and well-being of my body as a practicing massage therapist. After 11 years in the field and stepping into the educational realm of massage therapy, I felt that this work would be extremely beneficial for my students as they were going through their program to be able to limit injury and increase strength in their work while also assisting them as they progress into working on clients on a regular basis and how to help their clients with aftercare once their sessions had concluded. My students have found great benefit in this work and we have since added this to our curriculum and currently are teaching this in our program at Atlanta School of Massage. I'm very grateful for Dr. Clay and his insight into the human body and his abilities to expand knowledge for what we may know and what we can find out about the human body. I would recommend this work to any practicing massage therapist, any non-practicing individual, and anyone in general that would like to feel better in their own bodies on a regular basis and would like to maintain their health and well-being for the long haul.